Intellectual property refers to a set of private rights, an intangible creation conferred either by common law or statute. This video aims to introduce the topic of IP financing. Why should corporate entrepreneurs care about IP assets or be interested in the latest trends in financing IP assets? Because they simply can't afford to do otherwise. IP rights are not only a sign of strong market position, but can also be an important sourcing of financing. Intangible assets, including IP rights, can increase a company's asset value. Understanding the value these assets provides will help entrepreneurs make an informed investment and marketing decisions. However, for a business to successfully use IP to raise fund, it must appreciate the role of R&D and IP activity in a competitive economic model. To have access to IP asset-backed securities, the business must have an effective IP protection process in place. Financing practices. A handful of entrepreneurs are familiar with traditional IP financing tools such as licensing royalties and direct sales of patents or trademarks. Another way to utilize the value of IP is to use it as collateral. Traditionally, tangible assets such as fleet of trucks, real estate, equipment and inventory are commonly used to secure asset-based loans. The process. A legal mortgage like the Special Purpose Vehicle, SPV, is the most common and probably the safest form of security transaction. Intangible asset classes. Management interested in using their IP as a source of collateral should gain familiarity with the following intangible asset classes before discussions with the credit grantor. Cash flow assets. Licensed IP rights where royalty payments are directly attributable to the licensed assets, e.g., patents, trademarks, copyright. Assets with implicit value. Non-licensed IP rights or IP rights exclusively used internally, e.g., customer lists, database rights. Investors will want to understand the value of the IP used by the owner and its potential liquidation value. Something to consider. Valuation. Generate a measurable amount of economic benefit to its owner or user. Enhance the value of other assets with which it is associated. However, methods modeling predicted cash flow are becoming more sophisticated and reliable. Obsolescence. Functional obsolescence. It occurs when the IP user must incur excess operational cost to use the IP versus current alternatives, which may be state-of-the-art. Technical obsolescence. It occurs when technological forces render the IP worthless. Economic obsolescence. It occurs when the use of the IP in its highest and best form cannot provide an adequate return on investment. Conclusion. IP-backed credit facilities still have its unique challenges. However, successful borrowing in the past have shown that no challenge is insurmountable and, with increased experience in dealing with IP rights, the consequently greater familiarity with them and how best to structure deals on which they are based, the challenges should become easier to meet in the future. Good luck with your business.